पाक चान-वोक is just built different. Every time you think कि वो कुछ fun और light बना रहे हैं, he's actually hiding a knife behind his back. His last film, Decision to Leave, was about how he can't really connect with other people anymore. और ये वाली फिल्म उससे भी ज़्यादा scary question पूछती है. Can anyone actually get ahead in today's world without screwing someone else over in the process? Setup काफ़ी simple है. A guy named Yu Mansu has worked at a paper factory for 25 years. He's good at his job. He cares about his job. उसकी पूरी personality basically बस उसकी job ही है. Then one day the company lets him go. Budget cuts, nothing personal. And after months of looking, he finds out there's exactly one position open in his field. सिर्फ एक. And about a dozen other unemployed guys just like him are going after it too. So he decides to take them out one by one. And the insane part is, it's funny. पहली बार जब वो किसी को मारने की कोशिश करता है, he is standing there with a flower pot, working up the courage, and the whole thing spirals into this beautifully chaotic mess. Park इन scenes को comedy of errors की तरह stage करता है, where the punchline keeps getting darker and darker the more you think about it. Lee Byung-hun ने मानसू का role brilliantly play किया है. He's not a villain in the way we are used to. He is just a guy who has completely tied his self-worth to his career. और जब वो चीज़ उससे छीन ली जाती है, something quietly breaks in him. The scary part isn't that he becomes a killer. The scary part is how logical it feels to him. वो बस वही तो कर रहा है जो corporate world ने उसे सिखाया है. Compete, eliminate the competition, win. He's not going against the system. He's following its rules to their natural conclusion. The film keeps putting him face to face with men who are basically him. Same age, same background, same desperate need to provide for their families. One of them is a drunk who's completely fallen apart. And Mansu उससे इतना hate करता है क्योंकि अंदर ही अंदर वो खुद उसके जैसा बनने से डरता है. Another one bonds with him over their genuine love of paper making, the actual craft of it, the beauty of turning raw material into something real. और फिर भी मानसू वही करता है जो वो करने आया था, शायद especially उस connection की वजह से. There's this thread running through the whole film about paper, which sounds small but is not. This is a man who dedicated his life to making a physical, tangible thing in a world that's moving entirely to screens and algorithms. His job is already becoming a metaphor for itself. और जब वो उसे खो देता है, there's this image of people left out in the rain, warping, falling apart, losing its shape. That's him. The film is also just generally about what it feels like to be unemployed, not in a lectury way, in a real way. धीरे धीरे confidence का कम हो जाना, the shame, the way you start to feel invisible. The despair that turns into anger, that turns into something you don't fully recognize as yourself anymore. When someone who's been jobless actually watches this film, certain scenes are going to hit very differently. And the ending, without spoiling it, doesn't give you the release you are hoping for. मानसू का कोई बड़ा breakdown नहीं होता. He doesn't suddenly realize what he's done. उसे वो मिल जाता है जो वो चाहता था. He wins. And Park just lets that sit there uncomfortable and hollow, like a trophy you can't put down even though it's burning your hands. Because that's the whole point. दुनिया ने उसे एक कोने में पुश कर दिया and handed him a very specific set of tools. Compete, survive, and don't ask questions. And he used them perfectly. And now he gets to stand alone in the empty factory he fought so hard to get back into, turning the lights on and off, wondering what any of it was actually for. Some people will say the film is too heavy-handed, that it's too obvious about what it's trying to say, and fair enough, this isn't a subtle movie. But I'd argue that's a feature, not a bug. We live in a world where people are being told every single day, very politely, that there was no other choice when they got let go. कोई और choice नहीं थी जब उनका role automate हो गया, कोई और choice नहीं थी जब company restructure हुई. Park Chan-wook takes that phrase and turns it into an indictment, not just of one man but of a system that produces men like him, and then acts surprised when they behave exactly as trained. This was without any doubt the best films of 2025, so go watch it if you got interested in it a little bit. Thank you.